Hello everyone, I am Dr. Neeraj Kumar Goyal from Noida. So today I am going to discuss about managing severe knee arthritis pain without replacement surgery by injections of growth factor concentrate and ozone. Osteoarthritis is a degenerative disease that progresses with age, affecting millions of people. It causes wear and tear of the knee joint surface cartilage, leading to pain, stiffness, and reduced mobility. Osteoarthritis is classified into four grades. Grade 1 to 3 are suitable for our discussed treatment. Growth factor concentrate, that is GFC, and ozone therapy are emerging treatments that have shown significant promise in improving the quality of life and alleviating pain for patients with grade 1 to 3. Growth factor concentrate injection is derived by drawing 10 ml of patient's blood. This blood is then mixed thoroughly and allowed to stand for 30 minutes in a special GFC kit. After that, it is centrifuged for 15 minutes. The result is a yellowish layer of growth factor concentrate with the plasma. This concentrated GFC injection is then injected directly into the knee joint. This GFC helps to heal cartilage loss and increasing joint space. Ozone injection is also administered immediately after injecting GFC. Ozone injections work by reducing inflammation and improving the overall condition of the joint. The combination of GFC and ozone can enhance the healing process and provide relief from pain. Patients who undergo these treatments often experience significant pain relief and improved joint surface. While results can vary, many individuals find their quality of life improves substantially without the need for knee replacement surgery. These injections therapy are generally safe procedures. Hello, I am Dr. Neeraj Kumar Goyal, an orthopedic consultant at Max Cure Ortho Ozone Regenerative and Pain Management Center, Noida. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. If you have any questions or need more information, feel free to contact me at my center in Noida. You can also contact me directly at my number 9958 755 008. Thank you very much.